Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple card. Now this was a card that I made when I went on my Stampin' Up retreat several months ago. So I thought I'd show it you today. I'm going to be making it as a Christmas card. On the face of it, it looks quite a simple card, but the surprise is when you open the card up. So it pops out to reveal your message. So I'm going to be showing you how to make that. So for today, I'm going to be using a basic white thick card base, which is UK A4 cut down the middle on the short side, scored and folded, so it's going to be a top opening card. I've cut a piece of real red as a matting layer, which is going to go on the front, and the matting layer is 5 5/8 by 4 inches. I'm going to be using a piece of the designer series paper from the Gingerbread and Peppermint suite. This has been cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/2, and I'm using the red, white and green candy stripe. And then to save some time, I've already printed my greeting. Now I've used the frosted gingerbread stamp set, and I've used Wishing You a Merry Christmas, and I've used it with the stitched So Sweetly dies, which I absolutely love. These I think are probably one of the most used dies that I use. I love how you've got the layered rectangles, and then you've got the two label shapes, a couple more different style label shapes, and then a simple rectangle label shape, all stitched. They're lovely. So I've used Old Olive because that's the colour in the paper, and I've used basic white, and I'm going to layer those two up. So I'll start by just putting the outside of the card together. This really is a simple card. So I'm just going to layer my real red layer, and these are the colours that are in the Gingerbread and Peppermint suite. That's why I've chosen real red and Old Olive. And then I'm going to layer that one up on top, so it's just got a nice simple border all the way around. Going to layer that on the top. So I'm going to use dimensionals to pop this up. That's going to sit on the front like so. Obviously you could fancy this up a bit more if you wanted to, but when we made this card we made it nice and simple, so I'm sticking with that theme. And then for the inside, you need a piece of paper which is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. So when the card opens up, I want this to be on show. So I'm going to start by folding this on the diagonal, and I'm going to burnish it with my bone folder. Then I'm going to open it up. I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to fold on the horizontal both ways. Then you need to push it all in together like so, and then I would give it an extra good burnish just so it all sits down. So this is going to sit on the inside of the card, and when you open it up, this is what you're going to see. Then you need a piece of white card which is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and that's going to stick. This then is divided up into like two big squares, and then these two are squares with a fold in the middle. So you want the square that's not got any fold in it, and this is going to sit inside like so, so you can write your greeting. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on that, It's not easy trying to do this when you're filming because I'm trying to keep my head out of the way, but I need to be able to see what I'm doing. So that should be okay. So fold this back up. Then you're going to bring your card in, and with the folded point, so not the open end, the end that's all folded, you're going to place that in your card about 1/4 of an inch down from the fold. Like so. Hold on to it. Make sure it's in place. And bring your card over and press. And that will anchor down that half of your card. Then you're just going to do the same on this side. So apply some nice strong adhesive. Just hold it in place and fold your card over. Then I would open it up and burnish it. That's how simple and easy that is. So you've got a nice simple card wishing you a Merry Christmas. You could literally cut these layers, have a production line going, cut all your red layers, cut all your pattern paper layers, cut lots of your die cut shapes and have them all ready, and then just literally layer them all up, put them on the front of the card, and then you could do your kind of tea bag folding in the middle, and when you open the card up, that's your kind of surprise, and you've got somewhere to write your greeting. So on this one I also stamped inside, so it was happy birthday friend, but this one is just wishing you a Merry Christmas, and you could all, you know, you can add something in if you want, or just write who it's from, or you could also just put something on the back. So that's today's simple quick project. I hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.